Hello students, this video include the numerical question of incomplete record which is very important for your examination. So let's start discussing the numerical question of incomplete record. From this chapter, a 6 marks question will become in your examination, so don't skip this chapter. Okay. First is Atul does not keep the proper record of his business. He give you the following information. Opening capital 2 lakh, closing capital 2 lakh 50, drawing made during the year 60,000, capital added during the year 75,000. So you have to calculate profit or loss for the year. So capital at the end of the year, please remember this format. Capital at the end of the year is 2 lakh 50,000, add drawing made during the year because we have to make this account for the year ended. So we have to add back the values which are in the starting of the business, less additional capital introduced during the year. Okay, after adjustment we got adjusted capital at the end of the year, less capital in the beginning of the year 2 lakh, so the profit will be 35,000. Quite easy. Next is Mr. Yoshi start business with a capital of 5 lakh. At the end of the year his position was cash in hand 15,000, cash at bank 70,000, sundry debtors 2,20,000, stock 2,40,000, furniture 75 and machinery 2 lakh given. Sundry creditor at the end at this date is totaled as 80,000. During the year he introduced a further capital of 1,50,000 and withdraw for household expenses 90,000, that is drawing. So we have to prepare profit or loss during the year. So statement of affair, first of all prepare. Statement of affair just is a balance sheet, but because the person who is preparing the accounts does not prepare properly, so we make a new account, that is statement of affairs. So cash in hand, asset will be written on asset side, cash at bank, sundry debtors, stock, furniture and machinery. And liability will be transferred to the liability side. Whatever is the balancing figure is treated as a capital. So capital will be, what is the capital? 6,40,000. Okay. Now capital at the end of the year 6,40,000. Add drawing made during the year 90,000, as in question there is given 90,000. See at the down this. Okay. Okay. And less additional capital which is introduced in the business. See in the question given here. And if after that we get adjusted capital at the end of the year, less capital in the beginning of the year 5 lakh. Okay. So the profit will be 80,000. Calculate closing capital. Opening capital is 90,000, profit of the year 25,000, drawing 17, and during the year proprietor sold ornament of his wife 40,000 and invested in the same business. So the closing capital plus drawing less additional capital less opening capital is equal to profit. So by putting the values in this and the value of closing capital will be treated as a x, we got this closing capital. This formula or first formula is derived and closing capital is calculated, right? Okay. So Chitra started business on 1st April 2013 with a capital of 50,000, 50 lakh. Okay, not 50,000. On 31st March 2014, his total asset were 60 lakh and the creditor were 3 lakh. She withdraw during the year for her personal expenses 10,000 per month up to the 30 June 2013. Thereafter the 15,000 per month up to the 31st March 14. During the year he sold her personal investment 80,000 at the 5% loss and reduced the amount in the business. We have to prepare statement of profit and loss account during the year. So statement of profit and loss account here, capital at the beginning of the year, first of all capital at the end of the year. So end of the year here mention is, it is in the beginning. So in the last will be 60 less 3 lakh. Okay. add drawing during the year, that will be 10,000 for 3 months and 15,000 for 9 months. So total 12 month drawing will be 1,65,000. Less additional capital introduced by selling his ornament. I think selling its investment, not ornament, it is in the previous question. So it will be written here. Okay, you can see here, because he sold his her investment at the loss of 5%, so there will be loss of 4,000, which will be less from 80,000. Okay, now we get adjusted capital at the end of the year, less capital at the beginning of the year, we got the profit. So these type of question will be come in your paper, so please prepare the format. Remember each and every element in the format. Now Raghuveer keeps the incomplete record, his position as follows. It is given for 2 years. Okay, now this is quite bit different question, not typical, so you have to find out the balances by deducting or by making deviations between them. The deviation whichever is come is posted in the account. Okay, so this is the solution. Cash in hand 2,000, cash at bank 30,000, stock in trade 2 lakh, sundry debtors 85,000, plant and machinery 1,50,000. For fixtures and fittings, it is assets, so it will be written an asset. Sundry creditors 2,20,000, and the balancing figure after you total both the side, but balancing figure is the capital. Statement of affair 2017, so quite you have to make 2 years statement of affairs simply, and after that we make profit and loss statement, that is capital at the end of the year 3,48,000. How you get it is here. Okay, the balancing figure of 2017. Okay, add drawing during the year 7,500 for 12 months. How you know that? Here in the end or at the foot 7,500 per month. Okay, and the further capital is also given 50,000, and the 50,000 which is additional capital less, so we get adjusted capital at the end of the year 3,88,000, less capital at the beginning of the year 2,65,000, and the profit will be 1,23,000 for the year. So here video ends. You have to solve all types of questions which is discussed in this video from your book. Please complete this in your notebook, and here the video ends. All the numerical chapters it is end here, and a chapter of computerized accounting is left. So I will discuss a video tomorrow on this, because most of the topic of from that chapter is deleted. So I will discuss each and every element of computerized accounting which is important for your examination. So don't miss the video. You must see the video and complete all the questions whichever discussed in that video, and complete it in your notebook. Okay, if there is any doubt in these chapters, please ask me. After that I will start revision. I will post some revision video also, so you can easily use these videos for preparation of your final examination. Okay, good night.